In this video, we'll be going through some of Pearson VUE's Fire and Rescue Victoria Numerical Reasoning Series 20 questions. In this series, knowing the basics of algebra is very important. So what we need to first look at in this one is something called, sometimes written as pen mass. I normally do it as bid mass. And it just gives you the order of operations. So the first one is brackets. I stands for indices, which is just powers, so like squared and cube terms, which don't come up very often. D is division. M is multiplication. A is addition. And S is subtraction. So following this law, we should start with brackets first and work out what the answer is in the brackets. So 5 plus 3 is 8, and 20 minus 4 is 16. So now our expression is whenever you see a bracket next to a number, that is multiplication. So now it's 4 times 8 minus 2 times 16 over 5 plus 20. So our next rule to do would be to do multiplication next. Working along the top separately, but we'll do the long division sign towards the end. So we would do 4 times 8 first, which is 32, and 2 times 16, which is also 32, over 5 plus 20. Now at this point in time, you should realize that this numerator, or the top number, 32 minus 32 equals 0. So it doesn't matter what the bottom is. If the top is 0, the answer is 0. So that gives us an answer of C.